क्या बात।
हो गया।
From class 6. My name is Anu from 6th standard.
Myself Ankita from 6th standard.
Today we all are telling about biosphere. Biosphere means our earth. Biosphere has three main parts. Atmosphere means air, hydrosphere means water, and lithosphere means land. The lithosphere made of rocks and soil. The lithosphere where we and all animals live. Now my friend Khushi tell you about hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere means the water component which count water vapor, polar ice caps and all liquid water. Like we have only 3% fresh water, 2% fresh water is like polar ice caps and 1% is less for us. Now my best friend Ankita tell you about atmosphere.
Atmosphere, a thick envelope of air surrounds the earth, extending to over 6 km above its surface. However, most of the gases in the atmosphere are concentrated in the lower 32 km only. Hence, of the air is found coolest the Earth's surface.
Well.
Veena ma'am and principal sir. This is Divyanshi
And I am Shruti from 6th class.
Today we are going to tell about our project Biosphere.
Biosphere means the part of Earth where life can exist.
The biosphere has three parts: lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere.
The lithosphere means land
The hydrosphere means the water
and the atmosphere means air. The lithosphere is land where the humans, plants, animals and non-living things can exist.
The lithosphere is the solid part of the earth.
In 71% of total water on the earth and 97% of water on the oceans and seas. It is very harmful for human consumption. Due to the high amount of salts it presents, only for 3% of water is frozen in polar sheets and 1% is available for the consumption.
Next part of our environment is atmosphere. Atmosphere is the air. Atmosphere is present around us. Our earth is surrounded by atmosphere above 1600 km from the surface of the earth. These are the parts of the earth.
Thank you.
Sometimes when the moon orbits around the earth, the moon moves between the sun and the earth. When this happens, the moon blocks the light from the sun from reaching Earth. This is an eclipse of sun or a solar eclipse, lunar eclipse. When the moon orbits around the Earth at the same time, the Earth orbits around the sun. Sometimes the Earth moves between the moon and the sun. When this happens, the Earth blocks the light from reaching to the moon. When this happens, this is an eclipse of moon or a lunar eclipse.
Yes, very good. Please actually. Are you able to see this? This is the sun, this is the earth, and this is the moon. And all of know us that the moon just rotate about the, take a revolution around the, बोलिए बोलिए किसका revolution है वो? अर्थ का, ठीक है ना?
Our project is double circulation system. A circulation system where blood passes through the heart twice and has to separate, one for oxygenated blood and one for deoxygenated blood. A mechanism pass through blood.
सही हाँ करो
A mechanism pass through
ये
the
कोई बात नहीं कोई बात नहीं तो होता होता है धीरे धीरे प्रेस करो बेटा हाँ बहुत धीरे धीरे देखिए किस तरह से ऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड जो है ना वो क्या हो रहा है वो फ्लो कर रहा है लंग्स में जा रहा है कहाँ जा रहा है और वहां जाके डीऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड लंग्स में जाके क्लीन होता है फिर हमारे पास हार्ट में आता है और हार्ट में आने के बाद वो पूरी बॉडी में दैट्स वाई द हार्ट इज नोन एज अ पंप ऑफ अवर बॉडी अगर हार्ट को कुछ भी हो जाता है तो पूरी बॉडी में ब्लड का सर्कुलेशन खत्म हो जाता है और इसीलिए हार्ट को हेल्दी रहना बहुत जरूरी होता है आपने कितने अच्छे से देखा ना कि इसके अंदर हमारे पास ऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड एंड ब्लू पार्ट इज डीऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड एंड रेड पार्ट इज अ ऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड विक्रम लैंडिंग कर रहे हैं Oh, so good. Thanks to Julie and आपका नाम क्या है? Harshit. कि they bring the Chandrayaan 3 in our school and Vikram also. With a safe landing. So good. इस तरीके से चंद्रयान जो बनाया गया है और उसको उड़ाया गया था क्योंकि ये कुछ सेकंड्स का ही खेल होता है बेटा है ना बहुत